Stop guessing on why Magic Earth is crashing during navigation. This is exactly how you stabilize your GPS without failing once. Most other tutorials are confusing, but here at Rexus we know it is an exploit protection conflict where GrapheneOS's hardened memory security flags the app's 3D engine. Before you miss your next turn, you need to understand the logic or you will just get stuck with a frozen map. We're going to do this hand in hand and step by step, so your route stays active. The problem is that Magic Earth's rendering style triggers the OS memory allocator. This is the authority fix from Rexus that guarantees your navigation. You might think it's a GPS bug, but that is a distraction. The secret trick that other creators missed is enabling the compatibility mode for the specific app. Now, focus up because the dopamine hit of a smooth drive is seconds away. First, go to Settings, Apps, All Apps, Magic Earth. Scroll down and toggle exploit protection compatibility mode to on. Next, set the battery to unrestricted, so the OS doesn't kill the map in the background. Finally, open Magic Earth and turn off 3D buildings in the map display settings to reduce the rendering load. The Magic Earth Stability Matrix Step Action, Required Compatibility, Mode toggle on in the app info menu battery, Mode set to unrestricted 3D rendering disable 3D buildings in app settings permissions ensure sensors and precise location are allowed export to sheets. If you follow me exactly, Magic Earth will stay rock solid. Would you like me to show you how to download offline maps to your SD card for 100% private navigation?